Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I'm gonna tell you some crochet baby dress patterns. Basically, warmly welcome our little darling with a heavily gauze made using these incredible free crochet baby dressing patterns. The months leading up to a baby's arrival are such an emotional roller coaster ride, and the highlights is mainly the joyful preparation of setting up everything for them. Baby dresses are so dainty and delightful even on their own, and some are so cute they make you want to squish them. But once the baby has one on, it's another level of precious joy that we are talking about. These are some of the beautiful pictures regarding the dresses of babies. Hope so you are like these. These are very beautiful patterns. While some patrons focus on getting a newly born size exclusively at the start, others like being set for the first whole year. So I have put together patterns offering sizing adjustments as well. So you should be able to create some adorable dresses for your baby for different times of their first year. Those of you who came here looking for a modern dress pattern with some great texture will not be disappointed. This classic crochet dresses is uber chic and so classy. The dress pattern and the choice of color is winner for me on their own, but the multiple sizing options just completely won me. Or as I know I will do with most of you. So adorable. I'm trying. Would you be amazed if I told you this pattern isn't complex all that? In fact, it's so simple that you'll be able to get done making this chickpeas in just one day. The ruffly sleeves are totally optional, but adding a ruffle, the headbands, and the bow just make the whole look so much more cheerful. Oh, what a gorgeous dress! Little dress, baby girl with a cap. These sleeves are such a pretty detail too. The dress has a lovely line flare which makes it perfect for twinkling, and we all know how little girls love to twirl. Also, you'll enjoy